Sanibonani South Africa. Igama lami Lawrence Mpiyakhe Madidinsa, the founder of Bafo Helping Community Enyuleni. Ngizokhuluma la ngeproblem esihlangane ngayo, inkinga esinayo from uqala kwale organization. Le organization iqale 17 October 2024. Umsebenzi weBafo Helping Community sisiza umphakathi abogogo ama-disability including individual, abantu ababhalisa izindlu ngo-1996 till manje is over 30 years. So sihlangane nomnyango we-settlement, sabathumela ama-spreadsheet, sathumela ama-email ukuthi sicela ukuthi basisize sisebenzisane nabo abantu bathole izindlu. I-human settlement, we send ama-email from 2024 up to now, basi-ignore. The only message ebayi-responda bathi bacela i-POPI Act ne-Power of Attorney. We submit those documents. Saba ne-meeting nabo, masiba ne-meeting nabo bathi kithi umthetho awusivumeli ukuthi sithathe ama-minutes, bazasithumela ama-minutes. Even today, lawo ma-minutes lawo azange siwathole. And then wasiphoqa ukuthi si-apply for i-section 205 siye estrikeni. Sahamba sayosubmita i-memorandum e-human settlement. Bayisayina i-memorandum but bazobuya kithi within 14 days. Azange babuye kithi within 14 days. Sayenza i-follow up, but responda after 3 months, i-respond ye-memorandum. I-responda khona, i-responde i-MEC, Tasmi Mutara, was a human settlement. The response was a false response. Ayihambisani ne-memorandum esayisubmit. We make a follow-up, saqela ukuthi sibane meeting nabo, bayasi-ignore. They don't reply ama-email wethu. Wasiphoqa futhi ukuthi sibuyele back estradini sifaka ama-all-star. We march again this year, nge-20 zika-March. We went to human settlement to submit a second memorandum. That second memorandum, bathi bazobuya kithi within 4 days. Even today, they never came back to us. Therefore, sathatha indlela sahamba saye Johannesburg sayomukisa i-appointment letter ku-Premier Panyaza. Then masiqeda ukuyisubmit azange abuye kithi Premier Panyaza. Sasuka lapho sahamba saye Pitori sayosubmit i-appointment letter ku-Minister Thembisile Simelane. Even today asikatholi any response. So sifuna ukwazi South African citizenship ukuthi i-government ingabe izimisele na ukunikeza abantu beBafo izindlu, because izindlu ze-allocate zithola abantwana abancane. We've got evidence abantu base-human settlement abathengisa izindlu, the money has been paid kuma-Capitec bank account. We've got that proof. And even nama-email ufakazi sinabo sabathumela base-human settlement, they never respond. So really it's painful. Njoba ngime la as a president, abantu beBafo Helping Community baqelile wathi president sindlusela lo mlayezo uziwe wonke umuntu ose-South Africa, thina bogogo, thina ama-veteran, ukuthi why singatholi izindlu sabhalisa ngo-1996 till manje. Kodwa abantwana abancane abo-25 years, 26 years bathola izindlu. That is painful South African citizenship. So thina siyiBafo Helping Community, abantu is their equal right. Bazosichuzela ukuthi bavotela yipi i-local government, yipi inhlangano, because abantu sidiniwe. It's very painful. Yazi angazi ngathini. Ngicela nje ufuna ukuresponda, you can respond and inbox me, because this thing is comes a national consent. So I don't understand why human settlement ikhona kukhona ama-administration, kukhona abo-chief whip of staff, kukhona ama-beneficiary, director of beneficiary. Kodwa umsebenzi wawo thina siyibafu asiwuboni. And we've got facing ama-problem. Kunabantu lana ba-apply izindlu. And when you check a-SSS, it's ID not found. Kodwa umuntu uphethe ubufakazi bakhe, whatever is a Form C or is a database. Abanye abantu ama-member weBafu community, izindlu zabo ziphumile. Kodwa umuntu makayime settlement, athi indlu yami iphumile, bathi hamba usikhiphela umuntu loyigogo. So, what kind of leadership esitholayo ku-government? What kind izinto abazenzayo ezizwisa abantu ubuhlungu? Siyacela any stakeholders or any members, come guys and join Bafu Helping Community to fight into ama-RDP. Sinama-veteran, sinabantwana, sinama-disability, sinama-elders. And this organization, iyakhula, abantu bajona each and every day. I submit. Thank you so much.